Hey there, gadget geeks. It's your favorite phone fanatic from Mobile Munch, bringing you the hottest tech gossip. So, have you caught wind of this new Lava Blaze Curve 5G? It's causing quite a stir in the mid-range phone scene, and boy, do I have some juicy details for you. This phone has got a screen that's so curvy, it'll make your head spin, in a good way, of course. We're talking AMOLED goodness that'll have your eyes thanking you. And get this, it's packing a processor that'll handle your daily phone shenanigans without breaking a sweat. Oh, and did I mention it's got 5G? Yep, this bad boy is ready to zoom you into the future of mobile internet. Now, here's the kicker. All of this comes without the need to sell a kidney. We're talking serious bang for your buck, folks. But hold your horses. Before you go rushing to empty your piggy bank, let's dive in and see if this Lava Blaze Curve 5G is the real deal or just another flashy pretender. Is it the mid-range marvel you've been dreaming of? Stick around, and we'll find out together. Ready to uncover the truth about this curve wonder? Let's dive in and see what's cooking with the Lava Blaze Curve 5G. Lava Blaze Curve 5G with AMOLED display. The Lava Blaze Curve 5G takes center stage with a gorgeous 6.67-inch AMOLED display featuring a unique curved design. This display offers not only vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, but also a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate for a fluid and responsive experience, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and scrolling through social media. With a peak brightness of 800 nits, you'll enjoy clear visuals even on a sunny day. Dragon Trail Star 2 protects the front of the display, while Gorilla Glass 3 guards the back for peace of mind against scratches and minor bumps. Capable performance handles everyday needs. The Lava Blaze Curve 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor, built on a 6nm process for improved efficiency. Paired with 8GB of RAM, this combination should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks like browsing the web, social media, and using messaging apps. You can choose between 128GB or 256GB of storage, ensuring you have enough space for your essential apps, photos, and videos. While it might not be the most powerful phone on the market, it offers enough processing muscle for most users. Capture everyday moments with the triple camera system. The Lava Blaze Curve 5G features a triple camera system on the back. The main 64-megapixel sensor with PDAF lets you capture decent photos in good lighting conditions. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor allows you to capture expansive landscapes and group shots, while the 2-megapixel macro sensor lets you focus on the tiniest details. On the front, a 32-megapixel selfie camera ensures you look your best in video calls and selfies. Designed for entertainment on the go. The Lava Blaze Curve 5G boasts a sleek design with a curved display and stereo speakers for an immersive multimedia experience. While it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity allows you to connect your favorite wireless headphones or earbuds. A fingerprint sensor under the display provides convenient security access. All-day battery life with fast charging. The Lava Blaze Curve 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery, promising long battery life on a single charge for most users. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 33W wired fast charging, which can reportedly get you to 50% in just 30 minutes according to Lava. A budget-friendly phone with a curved display twist. The Lava Blaze Curve 5G offers a unique combination of features at an attractive price point. The phone boasts a stunning curved AMOLED display with a smooth refresh rate, a capable processor for everyday tasks, and 5G connectivity for future-proof performance. While the camera system might not be top of the line and the lack of a headphone jack might be a drawback for some, the overall feature set is impressive for the price. Is Lava Blaze Curve 5G fit for you? Let me know. Looking for a phone with a beautiful curved display, 5G connectivity, and a long-lasting battery, all without breaking the bank? Would the limitations of the camera system and the missing headphone jack be deal breakers for you? Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Lava Blaze Curve 5G. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.